This is the nasty weather here in Canmore, huh? Here's the progress, how things are going. Second story here. See how thick the snow is. See, all of a sudden we had a blizzard and we cannot work in these conditions. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Everybody's wrapping it up because we cannot work like this. It's way too cold. The wind is blowing like crazy, and nasty. The mountains are behind there. There's no way to tell that they are there. And this is the end of the day on a nasty cold day in Canmore. In Canmore, here we go. This is the hallway of this 4-story building apartment. We've been working all, but every time we try to put some walls, the snow covers it, right? So la nieve cubre todo aquí. Es muy difícil. Muy difícil trabajar en estas condiciones. Estas condiciones son muy frías aquí en Canadá. Nos metemos a una de las unidades. Es bien pequeña la unidad. Y allá está el edificio que construimos el verano pasado. El viento está fuerte, está pesado. Okay, everybody, I'm freezing. This is me. Here I go. Do I look like a Eskimo on this on this nasty cold weather? Anyways, there's a unit on the other side there. Cheers, everybody.